Good morning, you guys. It is currently Monday. The stock market's closed. Memorial Day. Tuesday, we have just a little bit of tad bit news, guys. But today, I'm going to talk about our trade plan for tomorrow, for Tuesday. Now, we only have a 4-day trading week. It is going to be a short trading week, but we do have a few setups that we're going to talk about only on SPY, Apple, and somewhat AMD. AMD is a little bit on the low priority when it comes to trade plan. But Apple and SPY is something that I actually do want to catch. It does look like it's just retesting on the 1 hour time frame. You can see SPY here on the 1 hour time frame. It's coming up in this little small zone that I created. And so I'm going to wait for SPY to break out of the range, whether it goes to the downside or the upside. That's what I'm going to plan to catch to trade SPY on. And when it comes to Apple, I do like Apple more than SPY. Apple does have a nice retest back into that zone that we was talking about last week. It did break below and above, so it did both directions. But today it is coming to retest, and here it is in this nice little zone area. And I do think that Apple and SPY are both going to come down and break down tomorrow. So I would love to catch some puts tomorrow, but either way, guys, if it breaks up to the upside, you already know we have levels to the upside and downside. So it doesn't matter. We're just going to be a reactor. We're just going to wait for it to do whatever it does and whatever it gives us. So if it does break down, then we'll take puts. If it breaks up, we'll take calls on the break of either direction. That's what I love about zones. Now, as far as when it comes to economic news for Tuesday and this week, I only have it updated on my whiteboard for Tuesday, but we have 6 a.m. home price index as well as 6:55 a.m. a speaker. So we do got to be careful on that. And then 7 a.m. consumer confidence. And if you're not in the Discord, it's already updated on the economic tab. So join down below if you do want to see that updated every single day, as well as the earning reports is already updated. We don't have that much interesting earning reports this week. Nothing too crazy, nothing too interesting. No important stocks this week that are going to report their revenue. So I don't expect any crazy big moves this week. We do got to be careful because the volume might be dried up just because of Memorial Day weekend, making it a short trading week, as well as a couple speakers this week again. But we're still going to catch trades, in and out scalps like we've been doing. Try to catch them on Nvidia, since Nvidia is now finally cheap and available to actually trade. It's no longer $3,000 to $4,000 a contract just to trade Nvidia. It is now $300 to $500 again, as well as they announced a stock split here soon. So potentially their stock will probably drop down from $1,050 is what it's currently at right now to maybe $170 to $150-ish, just because they're going to dilute it a lot. So that's Apple and that's SPY. Now I do have a setup on AMD, although like I said, it's low priority. It's not really that interesting. It's kind of in the same area like SPY and Apple, although it is a potential reject here once it climbs up a tad bit more. So with Apple and SPY both in this zone already, while AMD is not there yet, I do think AMD needs to at least creep back up a tad bit, and then it can reject off of that zone, which hopefully, guys, I'm looking for more for puts. I'd rather take puts tomorrow. So if we can get some bears, that'd be nice. But if we do get some bulls, then we will take the calls on the break of these zones. And if we miss those zone breaks and they happen to break at the pre-market, then we'll just wait for some weekly highs to get broken, and we'll just wait for some other levels to get broken on. But anyways, guys, that's a wrap up for what I have for trading for Tuesday. And then we'll get back to the daily vlogs and get back to regular posting every single day about what we're doing every single day. But today, guys, we're just going to relax, work on some TikTok videos. We already charted up for the weekend, so we're already good. And here we are dropping the trading plan for you guys, dropping the sauce. So let's see what we can catch on Tuesday. Live trade some trades. We are going to go live in a Discord with our boy Kevin and live trade. So if you guys do want to hop in while you can before Tuesday hits so that we can start live trading together. But anyways, guys, you guys have a good rest of you guys' Monday, Memorial Day weekend. Relax, enjoy it, get to work, whatever it is you guys are doing today. Have a good one.